You might be asking, what's in this bag? Nothing that impressive. It's just a bag. But what could be in the bag? Well, let's find out. Let's open the bag. Oh, it's some type of... Oh, what is this? Core i9, 9th Gen. Ooh, this is an upgrade. I wonder. Look at that. It's all up in there. It's a nice little box you got there. I might keep that cube right there. So let's see if we can get the actual CPU out without destroying it. Can I? I don't know. Stay tuned. There was just a little bit of tape right there. Cut that little sucker off. This thing popped off. Now, look at this beast. Look at that. How do we open this thing? I don't even know. I have no clue how to open this. But I'm going to figure it out. Oh, there's some tape. Got to cut the tape. That should open it. Alright, we got the tape off. Oh, let's get to the side where there's no reflection. Now you just take it, and it comes off. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to have to use that as a candy bowl. Yeah, that's a candy bowl for the desk. Oh, I dropped it. Already dropping it. Like, whew. Lucky it was in that protective measure. They didn't tape this little box. It just fell out. I want to put it back in there. I want to open it. I don't want it to open itself. There we go. Take a look at this bad boy. One second. Here we go. Core i9 9900K. We're going to see how this thing adds up to my old one. Should be a lot faster since my CPU is like 10 years old. But let's put it on in the system. That's our next part we're going to put in. And soon we're going to have to put in the power supply. But we'll get to it.